Welcome to week 2 of Foundations for CLDE Education. Week 2 outcomes, we have 2 major outcomes from the readings and activities for this week. The first is we will be discussing critical legal rulings and policies that have impacted CLDE learners in the form of creating timelines to review all of the policies that have led up to where we are at with CLDE learners in today's educational world. The second is we will describe both historical and current views of bilingualism in education. The readings this week will include both e-reserves and hyperlinked articles in the to-do lists. The first is Color in Colorado. This article talks about the chronological federal policy and law that has impacted language students throughout the years. You will use this article as a frame of reference for your timeline presentation. That's part of your assignment for this week. It's really nicely laid out, as well as citations. So this article will be critical to review for your activity. The second is an article on bilingual education. It's a CNN article that was posted in March 4th of 2014 and talks about why bilingual education ban should have been repealed a long time ago. It looks at the research as well as the laws concerning bilingual education. This will help inform your discussion question this week. Additionally, we have 2 e-reserves of chapters that have been copied and pasted, as well as an article. These will also help to support both your activity that you'll be submitting in the Dropbox, the timeline, as well as your discussion question. The assignments this week include a discussion question on bilingualism, which is 5 points. The second is a 28-point timeline of language policies and classroom impacts. There is a rubric for this, so be sure to review it to make sure that you get all 28 points. In supporting you creating the timeline, we'd like you to take a look at a tutorial on Prezi. Prezi is a great resource for showing how to display timelines. The presentation that you have hyperlinked on your to-do list goes through and shows you how to develop a Prezi. It's fairly easy and a great way to display information, in particular when you want to look at something over time. If you need support with the Prezi, please let me know and I'm happy to assist. When you do submit this in the Dropbox, what you want to be sure of is that you just in a Google or in a Word document, just hyperlink the Prezi and make sure you make your Prezi link available to public, so that I don't have to log in to view your Prezi. That will make access to it much easier. Again, if you have questions, please let me know. Additionally, your final project prep for Part 1A will be submitted in the Dropbox. This is a draft of where you discuss what you are offering community, school, and classroom descriptions and what your demographic data looks like. To review, I've provided a sample of a final project that was done just this last semester. So Part 1A should look like a narrative where you discuss where you teach and the demographics. A visual is always important, making sure that you're showing the school, district, and state demographics. Additionally, showing the percentage of students with ethnicity and race, as well as language spoken, help to understand the demographics and the cultures that exist in your school. The last part of 1A has you go through and discuss what the program looks like for your school. As you can see here, it's several pages, and it's okay for it to be a very, very rough draft. Once you submit that in the Dropbox, I will provide feedback by having comments embedded in your document. If you have specific questions, please let me know and I'll get those responses back to you. Again, let me know if you have any questions, and I hope to make it a great week with you. Thank you.